so fine. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger. So which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. 14. Si Bebe, bayad na sa tindahan. Yung dekado.
Oo na, pati huli.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kulento? You are kulento?